Hey everyone, it's Emily and welcome back to Living Plantfully. So today I'm here with another episode of quick, easy vegan meals. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this super incredible creamy basil pasta. So first of all, we want to go ahead and cook up our pasta, and I recommend using a shorter pasta like penne or farfalle like I have here. So you just want to cook and drain your pasta and set that aside. In a food processor, we're going to make our sauce. So the first thing you want to do is add in your avocado and make sure that it is a nicely ripe avocado. Toss in a couple cloves of garlic, a nice handful of fresh basil. This is from my mom's garden and it is just so beautiful and smells amazing. Add in some salt and pepper, and some extra virgin olive oil. We're going to go ahead and pulse that for a few seconds. And then to add a little bit of freshness, I'm going to add in some lemon zest, as well as some fresh lemon juice. So go ahead and pulse that up a little bit longer just so that the lemon juice gets incorporated into our sauce. And you should be left with this super creamy sauce, just like this. So go ahead and remove that, and then you just want to toss that into your pasta. Make sure that you mix that well so that all of the sauce can get into all of the little nooks and crannies of the pasta. And then to add a little bit of color and freshness, I went ahead and added some halved grape tomatoes. Go ahead and toss that in as well. And then here I just plated it in a huge bowl because I was gonna have this for dinner with my family. And there you go, guys, a super quick, easy vegan meal. This pasta is super easy to put together. It literally took me less than 15 minutes. It is absolutely delicious, and I definitely recommend that you eat it as soon as it's made, or at least the next day, because the avocado will oxidize. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. I really hope that you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to Living Plantfully if you have not subscribed yet, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.